Today I'm finally back after a while, and I just want to celebrate the fact that we are almost at 50 subscribers. Who knows, maybe by the time we upload this video I'm already at 50 subscribers. Who knows? Look, watch this, I learned a new trick. This is really dangerous. This is for trained professionals only. Yeah, I cannot believe we're almost about to hit 50 subscribers. An amazing milestone for a YouTuber like me. Whoa. If you only put your hand on the gas. Yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know the 50 subscriber milestone. Thank you so much for all of your support, new and existing. I cannot wait for 50 subscribers. This is ATV Adam. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you want to see, or if you want to get updated if I upload a new, or when I upload a new video. This is ATV Adam.